Oh, hello guys. Today, ako nag-play ng Frankie sa nood ko na Fable.
So, who's your favorite character, Monica?
I don't like to show better first.
But first,
She look like a fairy. She look like a fairy.
Okay, I want to put my character first and my bestie. Oh my god, it's so cute!
Okay. Of course. Hey, that's my girlfriend.
Binigay ko sa'yo kanina.
Gray and Isa look like a fairy.
How about Sky? Can you add Sky? I want to see Sky.
Oh, get in here. Maybe no. Okay, but we're not gonna stay forever. But I don't like 3, 2, 1.
Try Mr. Sun. Okay, try Raddy. Oh. Try Raddy.
How about this? How about this? Let's delete this. And she's bestie out. Wait. We need to say for we cannot place Mr. Blanco. If you like and subscribe and leave a like then and let's go.
Oh my god, why is this screen lock?
Gosh, she scared me.
Press this one too.
It did not work. He scared me the sword. Okay. Let's show an assignment. Gosh.
Oh my god.
She's a sidekick. If we craft it, then she's look like a grandma. Oh, brother.
Oh no, brother.
Why she's bloody happy? She's look. She's screaming song.
What kind of music box is that?
Uy. I add you. And this, not your basement, cause she very scared me. Oh nah. Oh nah.
Oh nah, bro.
She's look.
Add Mr. Add Sun. So, who should we delete this?
No, she's maybe Simon, cause she. No. How about dito? Cause she gonna.
Wait, try Mr. Sun. Oh. How about we try Tanner? We haven't seen Tanner. Oh.
How I balance?
Mr. Tree. Let's try Mr. Tree.
What happened? It's very stupid. Bye bye guys for